Hey, this is Thor with the ATVSuperstore.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install a new clutch spring in your primary on your Kawasaki Ridge XR. I'm not going to show you though how to take off the cover. That's easy. I'm not going to show you how to unbolt the primary, the 6 screws. That's basically every other, and then it comes off. It's super easy. I'm going to show you how to install it. So here we go. First of all, you're going to remove this cover piece right here. It's just plastic rivets, comes right out. You will take and remove all the bolts around the cover. Those are 10 millimeters. These guys are 12. There are 6 total. You want to remove 4 of them, leaving 2 left, and then gently take them out every other until there's almost no tension in the spring. This spring has very little tension. It's not dangerous at all. The hard part is putting it back on. So I will show you that in the next step. So I removed the factory spring. Again, every other bolt. Last 2 you take out very slowly, and then it comes right out. Now the new spring, of course, is longer, so it has more tension. So I have 2 helper bolts that are a little bit longer than the factory ones. Here's the factory. As you can see, they're probably another ½ inch, maybe a little bit more longer. And I will squeeze that in. And once I get to a certain point, like every other, carefully here, to keep it, make it tighter. Let's see if it's long enough now. Yep, there we go. A little bit more on this side. It does help to have these helpers, because if not, there is so much tension here. Okay, those are in. So now I'll back out these guys here. Oops, sorry about that. Those are out. There we go. I just have to change my socket to a 12 and tighten it up. So I did some measuring, and my helpers are 2 inches long, and all you need is 2 of those. So I'll put that down. Now I'll tighten everything up. Not hard at all. Take your time. Okay, that's in. That's in. I'll tighten the rest of them. That will be it. We're good. Now we'll put the cover back on. We'll put the plastic back on too. You have to take it off to get to a couple of the bolts. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But that's it. Installing another aftermarket spring. Super easy job. It takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. That's it. Cover's back on. We are good to go. Simple installation. Took about 20 minutes total. Hope this helps you guys out. Have a good day.